Right now, something incredible is happening. Buddhist monks are walking 2,300 miles for peace from Dallas, Texas to Washington, D.C. This is the beginning of a movement that changes the world. Today, I want to share with you 5 powerful, not so obvious things that this walk for peace is showing us about who we are, about the collective, about this new level of consciousness that's emerging on the planet right now. Number 1, peace is not passive. No, it is not passive. It's aligned. Let's go with aligned. We love that word, alignment, aligned. Energy. Yes. It's alignment with love. Peace is steady energy that the whole world can feel. Right now, peace is a frequency you can broadcast out to the world. It's not just a feeling, it's a vibration that you can send out to humanity. And this is what I love about the monks. They're not arguing, they're not opposing, they're not trying to convince anybody of anything. They're just walking in peace. And with every step they take, they're radiating this calm, peaceful energy. Their actions speak louder than words. You can feel it in the videos. Thousands of people walking with them in person. Millions of people tuning in online, supporting them. Peace isn't passive. It is contagious. It is a choice. Peace is alignment with source, divinity, God, the universe. One of their mantras is, today is going to be my peaceful day. Imagine starting every morning saying to yourself, today is going to be my peaceful day. Imagine embodying that frequency, that energy, and then every day sending it out to the world. Number 2, every great transformation in history began with something simple. Yes, not with force, but with devotion. Look at Martin Luther King Jr. Peaceful marches, prayers, songs, simple acts repeated with unwavering love shifted the consciousness of a nation and eventually the world. Look at Rosa Parks. She didn't shout and fight. She simply stayed seated. She knew her worth and value. She knew that one quiet, devoted no could change everything. Simple acts done consistently, aligned with truth, that's what changes the world. And that same power lives in you. Devotion today might look like choosing compassion instead of criticism, choosing kindness instead of being right, choosing presence instead of panic, choosing to walk, to meditate, to listen. You don't have to lead a march to lead a movement. You lead it by the way you treat yourself, by the way you speak to your family, friends, colleagues, by the way you regulate your emotions and come back to your heart. There is a great quote by Margaret Mead. Never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed people can change the world. Indeed, it is the only thing that ever has. You see, revolutions of consciousness don't start loud. They start with devotion. They start with the heart. Unity is not about thinking the same. No, it's about remembering we are the same. Yes. Don't you love that? One race called humanity. That's the vision that'll set us free. When you watch these monks walk, you see people of every color, age, belief, background walking side by side. What unites them isn't ideology, politics, agreeing on all the issues. It's emotion, peace, kindness, compassion, belonging. Unity doesn't begin in the mind. Unity begins when the heart remembers. And the heart remembers something ancient and true. I am you. You are me. All is one and will always be. Can I get a namaste? And here's the beautiful part. Our differences don't divide us, they enrich us. Just like a food court. Nobody complains that there's Mexican, Italian, Thai, Indian, Chinese food. We celebrate the variety. Life is an all you can eat buffet of culture, color, rhythm, story. Remember, one race called humanity. That's the vision that'll set us free. Number 4, you don't fight darkness, you outshine it. Darkness doesn't leave because you argue with it, it leaves because you bring the light. Martin Luther King Jr. quote, "Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate can't drive out hate. Only love can do that." The light doesn't argue with the darkness, it replaces it. And in case you forgot, you are the light. Go ahead and say, I am the light. Say, I see the light in myself and others. Yes, peace is not resistance, it's resonance with who you really are. You matter. You can make a difference. The monks aren't fighting corruption or evil. They're creating a vibration of peace and they're broadcasting it out to the world. And so can you starting today. Peace is a stronger frequency than fear. It travels farther, it lasts longer, and it heals deeper. Spread peace, kindness, compassion every day. It starts with you right now. It doesn't start in Washington. It doesn't start in policy. It starts with you right now. Say, I am peaceful. And number 5, you're not just living your life, you're voting with your vibration. Yes, you are. Woo! Doesn't that feel good? You can do that. Now, you might not be walking 2,300 miles with the monks, but every choice you make from the heart walks humanity forward. Every time you choose compassion over criticism, you create peace on earth. Every time you choose presence over panic, you're creating peace on earth. Listening over judging, kindness over being right, love over fear, you are creating peace on earth. You're not small. You're not powerless. You are a tuning fork for the future of humanity. And when you tune yourself to peace, the world starts tuning in with you. Peace isn't something we wait for, it's something that we become. So if this video moved you, if it reminded you of who you really are, please like and comment. I'd love to hear back from you. Give it a thumbs up. Share it with a friend. Share it with somebody who maybe needs some hope and inspiration. I'm Andy Dooley. Thanks for walking with me. And remember, today is your peaceful day. Namaste.